Hello guys, and today in this video we're going to do some more Python programming again. And today in this programming exercise I will show you guys the call it turtle forward. So it's very simple, very not even a close to hard, medium easy exercise. It's very easy and I think it's very good and fun just to do to show something simple and good. So we're going to use the turtle function, import turtle in Python programming. So the first thing we will do is import turtle. And then after that, we will write turtle.forward and how much we want it to go. So we can say 100, straightforward. And then turtle dot write, write 90, we can say turtle dot left 50. And then we can say turtle dot right 50, and then turtle forward 100. So what will happen now, we are going to tell the turtle how much we want it to go. We want it to go straight forward 100, then turtle right 90%, then turtle left 50%, then turtle right 50%, and then turtle forward 100% again. So we can try to run the module. Run. So yeah, here you see how it goes. So we can try again. So yeah, you see there how it went. Forward, right. So very simple. You can even with this programming, if you want to go more expert or more advanced, you can try to figure out if you want to try something specific, a circle, a square, or a smiley or something. You can figure out how exactly much you want it to go forward, right, left, forward, up, down. So yeah, it's a very simple and easy Python programming exercise. This one, turtle forward, but you can make it much more advanced and much better if you wanted to. So this is a very short video, and I just wanted to you guys to see this, and I wanted to show it because I think it's a good exercise if you're learning Python on your own and just wanted to learn some simple and very easy fun things to do, just to know them and just to do it for fun. I think this is just fun and good to do. So I hope you guys very much like this video, and I hope you leave a like and take care of each other. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye.